The African crested rat may not look like a fearsome creature, but don't be deceived by this rabbit-sized rodent who resembles a grey puffball crossed with a skunk. Its fur is packed with a poison, so dangerous that it can make an elephant faint, and just a few milligrams can kill a human.
Considered a black box of rodents, people in East Africa have long suspected the African crested rat to be poisonous. In 2011, researchers proposed that these large rodents sequester toxin from the poison arrow tree. These rats take nibbles from the branch of the poison arrow tree. No, not for nutrition. What they do is that they chew chunks of the plants and then spit them back out into their fur, fortifying themselves with a form of chemical armors to protect themselves from predators like hyenas or wild dogs, turning them into the world's only non-toxic rodents and ranking them among the few mammals that use chemical warfare. When threatened, the African crested rat erects a crest of hair on its back to reveal a warning on its flanks. Black and white stripes running from the neck to tail on each side of his body. While researching the effect of toxin of these rodents, research uncovered an unexpected surprise. Once considered to be long species, it turns out that the rodents have a very rich social life and were most likely monogamous. Researchers trapped 25 African crested rats and used motion-activated cameras to document nearly 1,000 hours of rat behavior. The goal was to understand their normal behavior before it can be established what changes the toxin produced in them. These herbivore rats spent a lot of time eating, but they also walk around, mate, groom, climb up the walls, sleep in the nest box.
Yeah, like you left him with any more options.
The footage revealed a strong monogamous lifestyle. Not just that they observed family groups with offspring spending extended periods of time with their parents. The rats spent their time touching each other or following each other around. The researchers also came across special squeaks, pulse and other communicative noises making up a wide vocal collection. After stabilizing a baseline behavior, they offered the rats branches from the poison arrow tree. They chewed it, mixed it with their spit, then licked and chewed it into their hairs.
Then the researchers started waiting. Will they get sick and have to take a nap to sleep it off? Will they become sluggish?
Surprisingly, exposure to the Echinacea toxins did not change the rat behavior at all, and neither did eating milkweed, a plant used as a chemical defense by monarch butterflies. People initially thought it was a lie because of the potency of tree toxin. The rats were also quite selective about using Echinacea cardinolides. Not every rat did, which suggests that they may be picky about their toxin source. So it turns out that these crested rats are uniquely resistant to these toxins, and scientists still aren't sure how.
For all their toxic toughness, though, the rats seem to enjoy surprisingly heartwarming private lives, with male and female going steady jointly taking care of their offspring. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any feedback, please let us know in the comment section below. And do not forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye, hasta la vista, tata.